What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw a rose. Now you want to begin this lesson on the top left side of the page and draw a swirl. So let's start from the top. I'm just going to bend this down, go across the middle. I'm just going to pull that up towards the right. And I just want to swirl this around, going in and then tucking that in underneath. Let's add a fold coming across from left to right, going out and then up. And then we're going to step in, tuck this in behind. Now we're going to go back up to this top point. I'm just going to curve this down, across the middle, round this out, and then come back in towards the center of our page. Now going back up to the top, we're just going to fold out a petal. So we're going to step down from that point, bend this up, and then out. Now we want to bend this in, come all the way around the outside, down, and just blend in towards the bottom. Let's layer another petal on the right side. So we're going to start right in the middle, bend this up, out, go up, and then back out. And we're going to round out the right side, coming in, bend this out, and then we'll just tuck that in along the bottom. Now I want to take this curve in the center and just bend that down in behind. Let's go to the side, bend this in, and then down. Now we're going to add some more layers in behind. So we're going to start right in the middle, bend this up, and then down, go to the side, bend this up, and then tuck that in on top. Now from this point, we're just going to bend this in, and then down in behind. Now let's layer some leaves along the bottom of the flower. We're going to start right in the middle, bend this out toward the left, come down, and then up. Now I just want to taper this so it gets wider, and pull that in towards the bottom. Let's draw another one going up towards the right, going out, down and out, take that back up, and then in. Let's add another one in behind, and go out, and then down, just tuck that up underneath, add one more on the right. Now in the center, we're going to draw a curve, almost like a half oval, coming down and then back up. Now we're going to draw a thick stem coming down towards the bottom. So we're going to start over on the right side, bend this around, down, and then back in towards the bottom. In the center, we're going to layer a leaf on top. So we're going to bend this up, go out, and then back up. Let's draw the bottom of the leaf, coming down, in, and then down. Now from the top, we're going to step over and draw that same curve, coming in behind that leaf. Continue down towards the bottom. Close out the bottom with a curve. Let's add that same leaf flipped over along the bottom. So we're going to start up here, then it's up, out, and then up. Now it's going to curve this back in. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our simple illustration of a rose. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.